Forget the fit check. Let's do a fin check. You've seen it everywhere. People showing off their outfits, their style, their aesthetic, making sure everything looks right before they step out. But when's the last time you checked your financial fit? Your outfit could be giving main character energy. But if your bank account is chaos, the whole look falls apart. Be honest with yourself. What does your bank statement actually look like right now? Is it giving designer, clean lines, everything in place, a system that works? Or is it giving thrift store dumpster dive, random charges everywhere, subscriptions you forgot, no idea where your money actually goes? Most people's finances are a mess, not because they are bad with money, because no one taught them how to make it look good. That's what a FinCheck is about, getting your numbers to look as good as your outfit. Here's the glow up. 3 steps. Step 1. Audit the clutter. You wouldn't wear a fit with random stains and loose threads hanging off it. So why is your bank statement full of charges that don't belong? Go through your transactions. Find the subscriptions you forgot, the fees sneaking by, the charges that aren't serving you, cut them, clean up the look, get rid of anything that doesn't fit your financial aesthetic. Step 2, automate the aesthetic. The best outfits look effortless. Your finances should too. Set up automatic transfers to savings. Set up auto pay for your bills. Build a system that runs in the background so you're not stressing every week. When your money moves automatically, you always look put together. No last minute scrambling, no overdrafts, just smooth, clean flow. Step 3, check the fit. Open your dashboard, look at your numbers. Do you actually like what you see? That's the goal, to check your financial fit and feel good about it. Organized, clear, on point, not anxiety every time you open your banking app. Confidence. The Finance Reset Toolkit is the designer label for your finances. It takes your messy, chaotic bank statement and transforms it into a sleek, automated system. You see every subscription, you track every goal, you watch your progress in real time. It's the difference between throwing on whatever's on the floor and stepping out in a curated, intentional fit. Your money deserves to look as good as you do. The toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that shows your financial future. Stop letting your finances embarrass your fit. Get your FinCheck right. Link in the description. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.